Now, when a lot of people look at a token like this and they see this graph, what they think is pump and dump. What they think is, man, a lot of people lost a lot of money. What they think is all of the negative. Because the retail investor out there does not look at opportunity. The retail investor is so inclined to look at fear, uncertainty, and doubt that all they ever do is miss out. Guys, this is the Pepe Unchained pre-sale. And look, you can see these are 2-hour candles. And there was a very, very volatile launch. Some people shaken out very quickly as PEPU token ran up to 2 cents, touched lows of 1 cent, and then the magic happened. And I'm going to talk a little bit about that because I do believe we could see very similar results in Wall Street Pepe compared to Pepe Unchained. Let's learn from it. Let's prepare for it. And let's not be one of those retail investors who cries because we coulda, shoulda, woulda taken gains. Let's be the guys who make some life-changing money. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and we're going to be talking about Wall Street Pepe in this video. So if at any time you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. From there, it is super simple to buy with crypto or buy with card. Now, if you want to buy with crypto, but you don't necessarily know how and you need some help, I do have a full walkthrough tutorial how to buy Wall Street Pepe. I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on, all of that good stuff. So make sure to type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel if you do need help. But right now, I wish that it was giving us the exact number. It's not. $70 million. What this means is this pre-sale could end at any time. I've been told the hard cap is $73 million, and we are right on the cusp of that number. So with that being said, make a decision now. Don't sleep on it for a week, or you're going to end up with a launch day decision. And I want to talk a little bit about that because I've compared it heavily to Pepe Unchained over the last couple of months, and I do believe we could see similar results. Why? Because as Pepe Unchained ran up, and you guys can look at my videos, you can go back, you can watch all this stuff happen. But as Pepe Unchained ran up, what is the date here? December 12th. Go back and watch some of the videos on 13th, 14th, maybe the 12th too. I don't exactly know. But people began to take their profit on Pepe Unchained. And yeah, they took a lot of money. We're not talking about thousands of dollars. We're talking about millions of dollars. And you can coincide this perfectly with my videos from December 12th, 13th, 14th. Wall Street Pepe was seeing $6 million a day in inflows. The same people who took massive 7x profits on Pepe Unchained poured into Wall Street Pepe. So let's get a little bit of a playbook together. There's going to be some launch day volatility. You may see the price come out, and you may see Wall Street Pepe jump up. Look, the launch at about a penny, right? Let's make it easy. I think the pre-sale was like 0.007 or 0.8 or something like that. I don't know exactly what it was, but let's say 1 cent just to make it easy, right? Launches at 1 cent, goes up to 2 cents. Falls down, wicks down a little bit. People are already scared, and if I had this on a minute chart, there's too many candles to scroll through on a minute chart now. So these are 2-hour candles. You would see a lot of panic selling, right? And if you look at the volume, $7 million here, $6.79 million. That's a lot of money for the first couple hours of a brand new ICO. But after the price stabilized and all of those panic sellers were gone, it took, what is this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 10, 11 hours before it really started to build some confidence. Now, I don't know where a lot of this money came from. I'm going to speculate for a second because it's my channel. I'm allowed to do that. I would imagine some of this money to stabilize the price because retail investors, dude, downright foolish, man. Some of you guys, you're going to make it. You're going to be just fine. Some of you guys watching this video, you're already panicking and you're already ready to sell Wall Street Pepe. And I really don't know what to do with you. But I would imagine with the 70-something million dollars that Pepe Unchained did, I would imagine they stabilized the price a little bit. And when people saw that it was legit, they began to pour in. And guys, over the next 40 hours, this token 7x increased before people finally began to take enough profits that it spooked investors and they began to sell off a little bit. Now look, a 7x increase could absolutely change your life. But let's talk about doing it again, because that's the playbook of these guys who sold here. They 7x their money and then begin to pour it back into Wall Street Pepe. They want to do the same exact thing. Guys, the same way that Pepe Unchained did 73, 74 million is the same way that Wall Street Pepe is doing 73, 74, whatever it ends up being, right? 70 million right now is all we see. The same way that they 7x'd on PEPU, they're going to want to 7x on WEPE. I don't know how high they get. I cannot predict tomorrow, and you guys cannot do the same thing either. But what I do know, it's the same people. It's the same numbers. It's the same playbook. All we got to do is play the game. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Look, I bought in heavy. You never invest more than you're willing to lose. All of that. I might shed a tear if I lose everything, but why the heck would it go to zero? You know, I can get out before it goes to zero and all of that stuff. So regardless, I could make a lot of money in Wall Street Pepe. If I 7x my money, it's going to be a lot of money. And I'm going to be very happy. And I'm going to follow the money. I could cash it out. I could go buy a new car or whatever I want to do. Or I can follow the money. Because if these guys 7x'd on PEPU, and they're going to try and 7x on WEPE, they're going to try and 7x again, guys. I don't know if they're going to go to Mind of Pepe. I don't know if they're going to go to Solixy. I don't know what the next move is, but I know how to spot it. Right? Mind of Pepe is doing about $200,000 a day right now. Solixy doing about $400,000, $500,000 a day right now. Whichever one of these or both of these tokens have an uptick in the amount that they're selling after profits being made on Wall Street Pepe is where I'm going. If we 7x a 7x, you're talking about a 50x increase. Guys, I am here to make that money. I want to know what you guys are here for. Down in the comments below. If you're here for Wall Street Pepe, you got links for it in the pinned comment and the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.